What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. By the time you guys are seeing this, it'll be sometime in January, but today that we're recording it is December 30th. And me and Chabs, I'm going to be picking him up. He invited me or told me about this Touge rally. I've never experienced a Touge rally before. I've never really cruised with multiple cars besides Jordan and Bricks, mainly Bricks because Jordan just got his new car. But I don't know what to expect, and on my New Year's resolution goals for 2024, I want to take you guys along with me and create new adventures. And it should be a pretty good event. And let's see what else. I'm excited to see what other cars there are. I don't know what to expect too much of this event, but it should be pretty fun. But yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Alright, so we pulled up to, what is it called? Say it.
Fujiwara Tofu Cafe.
And then there's this Touge, whatever the hell. So the Touge rally, I think we're going to go up to the canyons, and then we're going to do a walk around of all the cars. This is my homie Chubbs. He's been getting into cars. He's been watching a lot of Donut Media.
Super brand new.
So he says he really wants, his dream car is an R35, but his car that he wants to get next is the GR86, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking to become a driver car.
So we're just gonna be walking around. There's a lot of people here. My social anxiety is killing me right now. I don't like recording myself. But look, this car is sick. Even Chubbs really likes this car. Whoever's car this is, it's beautiful. And there's a little koi fish on it. I don't know if the camera can see it.
Maybe if I put some light.
I don't know, maybe try it. Yeah, see, there's little fishes on it. This shit's sick. Whichever girl drives this car, you did it.
I love the paint. Is this a wrap or a paint?
It has to be. I don't know. You can tell by the corners and stuff. But whoever did this, even the taillights, were crazy.
Those are sick.
I know. This is sick as fuck. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around and show our favorite cars, and then Chubbs can show us his favorite car. I think probably my other favorite car would be that 86 over there.
Yeah, for sure.
See, Jordan, you missed out, bro. This could be your car here with us. They're everywhere. See, Jordan? Car could be right there, too. We can go look at... Oh, shit, sorry. We can go look at that car. But it's a pretty good turnout. All right. Oh, look, it's the... I think it's the Eagle right here. This is pretty nice, too. Oh, he has it. Looks nice. This car, whoever owns this car, this is sick. I think it's a time attack car or a track car. I think this is the wheels that he wants. I like it. See, even the center cap. Looks nice. It looks nice. Even the Dodge steering wheel. It's gonna be Jordan's car.
I remember when I saw they did they went to the national parks.
This one's pretty nice too. So this is the car that I saw roll up that I really liked. I really like the halo lights. This is clean. And it's pink. I don't know how well the camera picks it up.
Dude, this is so clean.
See this? See? The color is beautiful. Whoever's car this is, I know it's a girl that drives it. This is nice. I need to see the headlights on again.
There's our IG on over here.
Oh look, it's a little ducky. A little ducky. A little duck. Yeah, this is clean. There's your 86 right there. It's hard to see. But speaking of the devil, we have this car is his favorite R35. We can go look at it really quick. It's gonna be fucking hot to get out of here anyways. favorite thing is like the Nismo wheels on it. As the people are in the car. Oh fuck, he's leaving. Fuck. Alright, whatever. I think it's clean though. It's very nice. Alright, let's go.
Is that your tires?
What?
Where are we going right now?
I thought that was the cop. Oh, we're going to meet at the base of the canyon, like the meetup spot. Hopefully people drive fucking safe up there. As you guys can hear in the shit, people are going crazy right now. We're about to do the same though. We'll see though. This car, this the one that we're in front of, or behind right now.
Crazy.
Right. They're about to go again right now. That's insane. Careful, okay?
Yeah.
We're behind a good car, sort of. I'm probably gonna stay like in fourth and fifth gear. All those lights.
Yeah, all the lights.
My ears are freezing. How can we pick up the right here? We'll do. Okay. Here.
That's a Suzuki.
No, not in front of us. In front of us. In front of the blue car.
Oh, in front of the blue.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Dude, you know what car looks crazy? The GR Corolla.
Yeah, a lot of people like that.
A lot of people like.
I like how it has like the 3 quad tips. Well, not quad tips, but the 3 exhaust tips.
Yeah.
See, look at the Corolla. Like an old school Corolla. Damn, people who are driving stick here, I give them props.
I know.
I'm sure they just stay in one gear, but fuck, bro.
Nice. Do you have a dash cam?
No. I forgot, I had a camera that I was gonna put in here, but I forgot. My homie's bought it for her birthday.
Let's see.
Dude, the camera does a really good job. So we made it up to the top. You can see all the cars coming in. Dude, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the sky.
Yeah, it's.
It looks like it's actually like daytime.
Yeah.
So like I'm pretty sure if we put it to us, it'll actually see us pretty well. And I'm dark. Yeah, dude, you see us pretty well.
Sick.
So we made it to the top. It's fucking freezing.
It's fucking cold. No.
Oh, is it not?
It's actually cold
No,
as
yeah.
fuck.
It's freezing. I got like a warning on my car. It said 37 degrees outside temp, and it's freezing. Oh god.
This is a good place to take a piss.
Are you did you enjoy your first car event?
Yeah,
Touge?
this is awesome, dude. Bro, Christian's got mad driving skills, dude. He was keeping up.
No, there's like, I'll show you like the car that we were, like there was 4 cars in front of us, like an old school Toyota Corolla. I'm pretty sure Chubbs did a really good job of recording everything, but dude, rip. I feel bad for all those people who had, like, there's an MR2 that was stuck on the side of the road, and then there's like another car over there that's like kind of like smoking right now. So like, good thing it's cold, and like there won't be a lot of heating issues and stuff, but we'll probably do like more walk around over the cars. But you having fun?
Yeah, this is sick. I'm happy. Thanks.
Yeah, dude. This entices you to get another car.
I need an 8.6, bro.
Oh man, so yeah, we're gonna walk around. I am freezing. I should have brought some gloves or something. My ass is freezing.
Fucking cold.
Alright, I was telling Chubbs this is the car that was in front of us, like 4 cars, the Toyota Corolla that was hauling ass. Pretty good job, dude. That shit's crazy. Let's go walk around.
Yeah, so I'm always up
Dude,
there.
it's fucking cold. Alexis?
It's
crazy. Poppin'. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, is this the buggy?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Did you lock to ECU
Is
already?
it? I think so.
No, I'm gonna let my friend do all that shit. Jake?
Cold.
Alright.
Alright, let's see what else. Oops, sorry.
Was this the
Oh, this is
Mustang?
blue. From here, it looks white. On the camera's blue. It looks nice. Fuck, I'm cold. We're gonna skip that. Let's go. Oh, hey, look, it's your GR Corolla.
Oh, it is the GR Corolla.
Yeah, I still have it. I'm from San Diego, so I haven't come up here yet, but I think I will. Just the GR movement or something.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about these cars.
Yeah, I want to.
It's beautiful, dude. It's beautiful.
Or like 284 pound-feet of torque.
Sick. What other cars are there? But the crazy thing is, like, the camera, like, I can't see anything, but the camera can see everything. All right. Let's see what other cars. I can't see what cars these are, but the camera can.
You
Look.
gotta look to the camera.
I have to. It looks a lot better on the camera than my actual eyes. What's behind us? Oh, it's on your GR. It's the GR. Yeah, it is. Look, see, this one's good. You don't see the beads on it.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, dude. Okay, this was the Infiniti that was racing on the freeway. This thing is pretty quick.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Alright, I really gotta find a corner to pee in. If you guys made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. It was a lot of fun. Me and Chubbs had a lot of fun. By the time we got up and then we looked at all the cars and stuff, walked around, it was freezing up there. So we just like cruised down. I was like already too tired, and then driving up was pretty fun, but I just wanted to relax and cruise down. But it was a lot of fun. Chubbs had a lot of fun. I forgot to record us when we were driving home and stuff, but we were just like talking about cars and stuff. So hopefully one day he's able to buy the GR86. And then thank you, Chubbs, so much for coming with me today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please help me reach my goal for 2024 of 500 subscribers. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.